Howdy, neighbors. I have no idea why that jumped like that. I have both doors open on the van right now. It's nice and cool. It was 80, I don't know, 87, 88, something like that today. It was pretty warm. Thought you might like a nightlife shot of the birds in the evening. The last gasp of the night. Oh, and if anybody are following the saga of the baby bird, baby dove, we put it in a spot above the waterfalls, and it was in a nice little kind of nested little area. And then we ended up going to town, and we were gone about an hour and a half. We come back, and we can't find it. It's nowhere to be found, so we have no idea. It seemed like it was doing quite okay when we left, but nature took care of whatever was ailing it, I guess. I hope it made it okay. Well, I got a regular cast of characters out there. Goldfinches, nuthatches, titmouse, purple finch, hummingbirds, and every once in a while the two doves come right down and get down here on the ground and eat stuff. The upside down birds, the nuthatches, they're a trip. But nothing else comes to visit, so, well, stuff flies through pretty quick once in a while. The occasional mockingbird and occasional mourning dove. It looks like they're fighting, and sometimes I think it's like a youngster going, feed me, feed me, feed me. And the parent going, get your own food. Okay. 5 minutes of the evening is enough for now. Later.